Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of EK Sinbad. This week we're getting back into the truck project. I'm taking the front end apart, getting it ready for powder coat. Going to be breaking down all the total cost involved front end, so you can see how that all works. And let's get into it. As you can see, I'm clearly running out of time to get this done before winter. Fall has hit, and I got to get to it. I got to get this going. So I'm going to start breaking it down. I'm going to be doing 2 different powder coats. So I'm going to be trying to separate stuff into individual buckets to keep the powder coat one color. And well, it's technically going to be the same color, but I'm going to do flat on some parts and glossy on the rest. I just remembered I forgot one thing. So I'm going to run back inside and grab all of our Ziplocs so that I can keep all the hardware separated. All right, so first I'm going to try to get the hub off, and then I'll start disassembling everything, work my way in. Once I get to basically getting the steering rack off, I'll go to the other side and work my way in. So sometimes when I'm taking apart stuff that I haven't really put together or I haven't noticed, I always try to take videos or pictures of it. So I'm doing this to just make sure I remember there's a washer on both sides of the grommet on the upper control arms. All right, everything's off of the front passenger side. Going to be going to the driver's side here in a second, but first I'm going to take out the trans mount. It's only 4 bolts, so it should be pretty quick. Right now, transmission mount is out, whole passenger side is done. I just got to do the driver's side, get the sway bar and the power steering rack out, and then the front's done. Then I got to move on to the whole mess, which is the back. right, so the last thing I'm going to do today, before I call it a day, is I'm going to get that master brake cylinder off. I'm not using it. It's in the way. It pokes up on the tarp while it sits here. So I'm taking that out, and that'll probably be it for the day, but I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, I'm gonna end it off there today. Whole front end is off. Whole trans mount's done. We just gotta do the rear end. I'm calling it a day. Going to go out to dinner for a birthday celebration. So that's where we're gonna leave it this time. If you like what you're seeing, stay tuned. There's gonna be a lot more cool stuff coming. 57 Chevy truck project. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, see whenever my new stuff's coming out. Also, if you haven't checked it out, I have a bunch of coverage from SEMA this year. It was insane. So see you next time.